I hope your parents appreciate it while you're home for Christmas.
God,
and they're like, what's your job like, Scott? And you're going to be like, here, watch this racist video that we made for Christmas.
You know, you joke, but that's pretty much...
My mom stopped watching when she heard me say that in a video that I would rape her for $5,000.
Yeah, well, that's... that
was
fair enough. You threw the mic on the stage on that.
I don't take it back either.
Well,
she's a MILF.
Well, we could take
She's
it.
a MILF. M-M-I-L. My mom I'd like to fuck. Well, we finally got it. We finally got everything plugged in here.
We did it.
This is our game room. I'm Mr. Sark.
I'm APL.
We're your hosts on Team Respawn, normally. There's more people on Team Respawn than just us.
Absolutely. There's other people.
Over the past, 2 months, we've been trying to create a little game lab. I'm calling it a game lab. A utopia, yeah, where we could play the games, capture the games, not have to share the game. I sound like Cosby. Play the games,
with the
capture the games without sharing the games. Bah.
We have the worst Cosby of all time.
We finally got it all turned on. I'm just glad it turned on.
Yeah, it turned on. We still have work to do as far as getting our everything so it's just one push or two pushes of a button, but we're pretty much there.
This doesn't just happen. It just doesn't appear that way.
That was a good 3-hour brainstorm in your office before this any of this even came down.
I mean, that's
it looks like a master plan to take over, I don't know, the universe or something.
But what we're gonna do eventually is this is gonna be the spot where we're chilling, and this will also be, streamed live. We're figuring out the finer points of that. Being the company men that we are, these type of things are much more complicated for us than it may be for you. But
they are.
We're getting the details worked out, and hopefully you'll be able to peek in on us in here while we work. And we're also going to be...
Let me imply we're not working.
Yeah.
Oh, well. Still work.
I mean, it is still work, yeah. Especially when you're playing some shit like
fucking
Neo Geo. Anything
yeah.
on Neo Geo. Here's Pong. But here you control a beach.
What is
a
it?
Japanese Japanese anime character that looks like it was drawn by an American child.
That sounds like a
fucking Neo Geo. Jesus.
You really have I mean, I didn't hate it as much. I mean, you really.
Well,
just had no time for it.
I pined for it when I was younger, and then I saw what their shitty offering was.
Then you got burned by it.
Yeah, well, I didn't, not quite. I went the 3DO route. We'll talk about 3DO in a future video. But we are gonna have. We were gonna have a big flat screen behind us, but I think what we're gonna do instead is get a projector. because then it's bigger, and we need something else in here to generate heat.
Oh my God! Yeah,
it's gonna smell like
it already. God.
Like 100 armpits in this room.
We were having a meeting here earlier with like 4 people or 5 people in here. It's like instantly 100 degrees. So
we're also planning our holiday videos. We sort of got those ideas down. I think they are they should be hopefully entertaining.
Yeah,
wildly inappropriate. That's for sure.
Definitely.
We're really raising the bar on not being politically correct this year. So yeah,
hope you guys appreciate that.
I hope so too.